The untimely passing of True Blood favorite Nelsan Ellis tracked at number 3. From Viola Davis to Anna Paquin, his Hollywood co-stars remember the man known best as lovable Lafayette.
So people need to say goodbye. People need to be said goodbye to.
Haunting and heartbreaking words from the late Nelsan Ellis, who died Saturday of heart failure due to alcohol withdrawal complications. Today, the family of Ellis released this statement. After many stints in rehab, Nelsan attempted to withdraw from alcohol on his own. During his withdrawal, he had a blood infection, his kidneys shut down, his liver was swollen, his blood pressure plummeted, and his dear sweet heart raced out of control. Ellis was 39. Celebrities flooded social media to remember their friend, like Anna Paquin, who tweeted, "It was an utter privilege to work with a phenomenally talented and deeply kind soul. I'm devastated by his untimely death." Joe Manganiello on Instagram, crushed today by the loss of my friend and castmate Nelsan Ellis. Watching him work was like watching someone channel a spirit.
How you doing?
If God is willing, Miss Clark.
Viola Davis, who worked with Ellis on The Help, shared her grief. "He was like my son, heartbroken. You took a piece of my heart with you." But in perhaps the most poignant memory, Stephen Moyer recalled on Facebook being awestruck with Ellis's talent while shooting the pilot for True Blood back in 2007, and saying, "Nelsan had that electricity in abundance I have rarely seen."
I would love to do a movie.
That was Nelsan's reaction last year to rumors of a True Blood reunion. The father of one once revealed how he got into his flamboyant beloved character Lafayette, saying, quote, "I have more makeup on than any of the females in the cast. Once they get me with the fake eyelashes and the eye makeup, I listen to some Rihanna, and I'm there."